Hello everyone and welcome back to my page. Guys, Madam Chop 1 Chop 2 is back. Oh my people, hey, our spices are back in stock. Yes, so first of all, I just want to say a big thank you to for as many of you that patronize us. The last one we brought, thank you also so much. So guys, I have a good news for you guys. Our spices are back. Yes, so what type of spices are you looking for? Feel free to patronize us, guys. This is all our spices. They are back. If you want to cook jollof rice, fried rice, any kind of stuff, is this soup, egusi soup you want to cook, and you know those the better spices, we have it here. So any type of spices you are looking for, feel free to visit Biosas Future Empire. You will get it now, especially those of you that live around us here. So feel free to patronize us. And we also have stuff for fried rice, jollof rice. Make sure it's anyone you are looking for, we have them all in stock. Yes, so our spices are back, guys. I am so happy and grateful for those of you that have been contacting us on this page, patronizing us. We really appreciate you all, and we say may the good Lord bless you. So guys, we have all of them now back in stock. Yes, we have the one of Deco seasoning powder is here. Kitchen Glory, this is my favorite spices. This is my chicken glory. I love these spices, guys. Whenever I want to cook egusi soup, jollof rice, fried rice, name it, they are there to serve you. Yes, in one of these days, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how I use them. I don't just take it and be using it. No, I combine all of them together to give me that super yummy tasty. Yes, so and I also have here my chicken seasoning powder is also here. This one is another wonder, guys. If you don't have this one in your kitchen, what are you waiting for? There is another one here which is called Fun for your chicken seasoning. This one, guys, have you tried it? Hey, this one not be say auntie help me buy from Nigeria. No, this one just there around you now. Feel free to patronize us. And this one, which is seasoning chicken seasoning powder, this one is still another bomb, guys. If you have these 5 different spices in your kitchen, you are good to go, guys. You are good to go. Is it jollof rice you want to cook? We also have spices for jollof rice and also for fried rice. Even though it's a egusi you want to cook, feel free to patronize us. We are going to give you the best and the nice spices for that. Thank you also so much. So I'm going to be catching you guys on my next video. So don't fail to patronize us if you live around us. And we also do some package. We also shift to anywhere you want us to shift it to. We can also ship it to you. Thank you also so much. See you guys on my next video. Bye.